My name is Eric. My student number is 1010546928.
My name is Ariana, and my student number is 10101849899.
We're looking at two different models here, one from Ajax, Greater Toronto Area, Vancouver from British Columbia. So, the different variables.
So for the Ajax model, the only variable taken into account is birth rate, which is denoted by W. In the previous parts of the report, other factors such as immigration and emigration give a negative slope to the population, which was not accurate since the population of Ajax has a continuous increase in slope. For example, from research, the biggest reason people would leave would be because of high volume traffic caused by highway road closures, but this happens infrequently, so it does not matter as much to the report.
So for Vancouver, they actually included four different variables: birth rate, death rate, immigration, and immigration. And it makes a little bit of sense because Vancouver has a much higher population, it's a much bigger city, and a city with a lot more job opportunities. So a lot of people go there seeking a higher salaries, and also University of British Columbia exists in Vancouver. It is one of the world's top institutes, so a lot of students strive to go to this university. Of course, a denser population means there's a higher chance of pathogens to spread, which could cause a higher death rate. So death rate must be considered. And of course, just another extra fact, most of the immigrants are from China or India. So
For building solutions, the Ajax model is a linear model that reflects the previous assumptions.
whereas for Vancouver, they use an actual exponential model, which makes sense because they have four different variables.
In the projections, Ajax predicts that in the population in 2100 will be 590,802.
Whereas for Vancouver, 2,100, they will have a population of 5,342,809. So when we're comparing these two models, you can see that both models actually double in their populations. However, when we look at the variables, Ajax only has one, whereas Vancouver has four. So realistically, Vancouver's model would be more accurate and would be more realistic. For Ajax, it is a y equals to x situation, so it won't actually happen in real life.
To expand on this point, the Ajax mayor had to use his power to approve two new 60-story high-rise buildings to help with the imbalance of house buyers and houses. This adds on to the fact that the model of linear for Ajax would not work since the population would become stagnant at one point.
Thank you to the council for listening. This is our assessment. Here are some of our citations. Thank you.